Meetings Africa yamashumi amabini ziza kuqalisa namhlanje kwiziko lengqungquthela laseSandton. Lo msitho ke ujolise ekubumbeni ubume beminyandala okanye yeminyadala yoshishino lwaseAfrika ngokudibanisa ilizwekazi nehlabathi. Lo msitho ke uzuba nomboniso orhwebe olindeleyo wentsuku ezimbini owandulelwe lusuku oluzinzileyo okanye oluzilingeneyo lwemfundo. Ibhonde ngokubambisana ke nemibutho ekhokelayo yehlabathi yelizwekazi nelizwe ke jikelele. Ngokumbukeli make siphose intambo khona kanti ke ukhumbuza mbukeli tatheli yethu ke ephambili yena umama uSefu Mkwena ukhona.
Mangibonge kuwe lapho e-studio ngasho ukuthi namhlanje amazwe amaningi aseNingizimu Afrika azobabuthene la eSandton Convention Center. iSandton Convention Center idume kakhulu ngokuthi kube nemihlangano emikhulu ebanjelwa la. Siyazi ukuthi imihlangano efana nabo BRICS ike yabanjelwa la, umhlangano omkhulu we-African Union uke wabanjelwa la. Futhi ke umhlangano omkhulu nge-2002 wamazwe, lo mhlangano wawuhlelwe yi-United Nations uke wabanjelwa lapha. Kodwa ke namhlanje sizobuka nokuzwa amazwe ase-Afrika akhuluma ngobudlelwane nokuvakasha, i-tourism. Sibone abantu abaningi bafika babuya futhi nakuma-province aseNingizimu Afrika. Lapho ke bazokhuluma nalabantu base-Afrika ukuthi bayenzani ukuthi bathuthukise indaba lezi zokuvakasha. Siyazi ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ibe nemisebenzi eminingi kakhulu. Onyakeni odlulile sibonile ke ungqongqoshe wezindaba lezi zebudlelwane nezindaba lezi zokuvakasha uPatricia de Lille akhuluma ukuthi abantu abaningi baze bavakashela ilizwe leli laseNingizimu Afrika. Lokhu kusemqoka kakhulu ngoba ke kwenza ukuthi kube namathuba emisebenzi. Ngizokhulumisana nomunye wabantu ababuya lapha eNorthern Cape ukuthi yena uze la ulinde ukuthi mhlambe azuze ini. Ha ke o lebohe haholo ntate, ke ka baka lang o tlileng kopanong e?
Oh no, ke tlile kopanong e to exhibit my business and as well to network and grasp the opportunity that is afforded to us by the government as small businesses re kgone go gola and then re kgone go create a network with bigger businesses.
Na ibe mmuso o ya le tshehetsa jwale ka borakgwebo ba banyane tabeng tsena tsa bohahlaudi kapa yona tourism? Now there's investment in the country, particularly on small businesses, ukwenza ukuthi abantu laba abakuleli zinga lokuhamba nabo bayathuthuka.
I must say definitely well. There's a couple of programs in terms of the provincial incubations through the University of Solblak in the Northern Cape. So Department of Tourism as well with the national one by bringing me here to network and also grow my scope in terms of business.
Ho bile le mathata ka nako ya COVID lapho sabona khona ama-business amaningi avalwa, dikgwebo tse ngata di kwalwa. Now closing of those businesses, how did you manage?
It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at the time. There was no movement and all, but more important industries opened, including the mines. So we're really fortunate to Bernal really in a mining region. Then we started moving at least to the mines while everything was closed. So it kept our business moving. That's why one of our divisions in the business, mining shuttle services, to keep us afloat.
Jwale ibe uhotse ha jwang your growth in this industry? Ukhule kanjani? Uyakhula?
Definitely, I'm growing and I'm also learning a lot. Given the fact that myself, I never studied in the field of tourism, but I'm learning quite a number of things, including this year I should be holding a certificate in tour guiding. So le team ya ka ke a developer so that the company is able to grow and get developed, not only myself.
Uma ungatholi thuba kapa mnyetla ukukhulumisana nabaholi balelizwe kakhulukhulu ungqongqoshe wezokuhamba ukuza la eNingizimu Afrika tourism Patricia de Lille, ukakupa ini? What is it that you'd like to see her doing?
In my area, tourism, I've taken a huge risk, I must say, in my area. It's not really, it hasn't been happening. I must say I'm the first tour operator in the region. So having said that, we don't have tour guides. There's just so much that we don't have that must enhance my business in terms of skills and development. So I need skills and development. I need to have tour guides trained in our area so that I'm able to employ young ones. So there's so much that needs to be done. Maybe the focus should be not on the Cape. The focus should be also our region in terms of JTG to develop and assist these young ones, because I need to have employees that are skilled for me to grow and see the legacy going forward.
Thank you so much for your time. Harile Bwentati. Sibonge kakhulu. Uzwile ke ukuthi abantu abeze laba nokuthi baqabange ukuthi umbuso waseNingizimu Afrika ungabanceda kanjani. Ushulo ke ukuthi uqale kudala, siyakhumbula ngalesa sikhathi seCovid, le industry ize yaba nenkinga ezinkulu ngoba sabona izindawo lapho kuza khona abantu bokuhamba zivalwa, abantu baphelelwa imisebenzi. Kodwa ke ngomva kweCovid kubonakala engathi lokho kuyashintsha ngoba sizwile ke ungqongqoshe Patricia de Lille akhuluma ke emavikini la aphelile ukuthi abantu abaningi baze bavakashela eNingizimu Afrika onyakeni ophelile. Enye into ayiqalayo ke ukuthi mhlawumbe umbuso ngabasiza ukuthi babe nako ukufundisa labo bantu abasebenza nabo esibabiza ngokuthi ama-tour guide, laba abantu abathatha laba abantu bokuhamba babahambisa izindawo ezihlukahlukene, babatshele ukuthi kwenzakalani kulezo zindawo. Ngakho ke kuningi abaza kuzuza kule nhlangano, lapho ke bazokhulumisana futhi nabanye ababuya amazweni amanye ase-Afrika. Enye into engayikhuluma ukuthi kulela viki eliphelile bengise-Addis Ababa e-Ethiopia, lapho ke ngakhulumisana nophethe i-Ethiopian Airline, lona ophethe izindiza lezi ezihambisa abantu e-Ethiopia. Siyazi ukuthi i-Ethiopian Airline ihambisa abantu abaningi kakhulu e-Afrika, ukubahlanganisa, ukubaqhomanisa namazwe, kodwa namanye amazwe angaphandle. Washo ke ukuthi bafuna ukwakha izindiza eziningi kulelo lizwe nokuthenga ezinye izindiza ukwenza ukuthi bahambise abantu e-Afrika. Masibuyele kuwe lapho e-studio. Siyabonga.
Kubulela thina Mesofi ngalongxelo ebaluleke kangaka. Amehlo ethu athe ntsho ukufumanisa into kubana elilizwe lizawuthi lizuze ntoni kuzo zonke ezindibano. Right, mbukeli we-SABC lihaye besidlala indlebe nayo intatheli yethu ephambili kakhulu, yena kaloku mbukeli uSophie Mukwena.